initiating transparency and shape inspection.
With a whisper of compressed air, the ejection arms ease outward, grasping.
Welcome to the bottle making factory, next-gen made process, where raw materials are transformed into everyday essentials through precision and automation. From
There it goes. Such a good sound.
The rehanger eruption process. The feeder vibrates just enough to keep the material moving, each small motion sliding the cream-colored pellets forward. Guided by the grooves, they pumps drive in measured rhythm, pistons shoving molten resin down the line. Pipes moan as the pressure climbs, joints flexing, rings groaning. Each pulse sends...
Cooling channels flood with water, rushing past the mold in a rapid, bubbling stream. Heat pulls away in seconds. The preforms darken, a skin of frost gathering on their surfaces as
Inside the oven, the infrared banks buzz, a steady, glowing presence. Heat blooms across the glass, and the preforms begin to yield.
The mandrels rotate with a steady, silky whir. As they turn, the clear preforms are drawn outward, lengthening into uniform tubes. Warmth and motion coax the material to
run. The hot preform drops in, glowing like molten honey. Micro vibrations shake the metal, coaxing the plastic outward. A breath of air and pop, the walls meet the mold. Tiny
pressure air slams in and the clear preform gives way. In a heartbeat, the tube swells, plastic rippling outward until it kisses every curve of the steel. What was a stub of resin becomes
Fine droplets scatter across the hot metal, hissing as they touch. The spray lingers like a cool fog, stealing away the heat and leaving polished beads that wander downward. You can
trimmed off scraps hit the belt and ride toward the heart of the line. Interlocking steel drums grab hold, teeth first, and bite down. In seconds, pieces are chewed into a colorful mix of chips, ready for their next.
With a whisper of compressed air, the ejection arms ease outward, grasping the glass. They set each bottle onto the inspection line as though placing it on velvet, then retract, ready for the next.
Pressure climbing past 150. Structure's holding.
Cylinder nearing 880, relief valve ready.
Balloon at 12, and
All
brake.
rigs reset, data saved.
Good, everything past
Let's
the
run the
stress
next
window.
sequence.
Initiating transparency and shape inspection. Surface grid complete. Midsection deviation detected. Verifying. Anomaly resolved. Bottle integrity.
Automatic Part 34. The leak detector takes over. Our vacuum drone hovers millimeters from the surface, sweeping the weld with lasers. A red pinprick means trouble. It's
A beam of light, aimed low and precise. A gentle buzz, like a tiny tuning fork. Gloss meters read the reflection, turning shine into numbers. Surround.
Approved ones glide smoothly on the belts, whispering along the polished tracks. Their silence speaks of trust, of journeys taken without pause.
As the screw turns, it drags molten polymer along its flanks. The mass moves forward, and the screw itself is pushed backward, building a reservoir of pressurized melt ahead of the check valve.
Once the system's engaged, the blades do the heavy lifting, turning yesterday's waste into tomorrow's resources.
Energy-efficient drives hum, but never strain. Their precision keeps motion smooth and heat to a whisper. Wasted energy becomes light instead of warmth, and every rotation is reclaimed as...
Blue pass, reading the code, good. Laser sweep, verified. All data stable. Final lot clear.
With one pull, the tape locks the seam. Inside, a web of adhesive threads draws together, gripping the fibers of the carton. Then, long strips are set in place.
And just like that, the heaters are alive again.